I know Paul is what you guys. So for today's video, we have Foota Hype and it's going off on Dutty nationwide 90 FM because they replaced Miss Kitty with I think KAREEM from Boys and Things. Oh no, Foota Hype be very ready. So on to the video.
I don't know Mr. already, you know. I don't know when Mr. disrespect. I got call out disrespect here. Because me just acknowledge my mission in a dancehall and in other music, yeah. And you see that's something where them giving them social media. Me I gotta use it to the best of my ability to highlight real things. Me telling you a couple years ago. So the boy named Dutty and the next one named I don't even remember his name. The ancestor them don't even remember his name now. Jamaica and mash up Taurus King. Me not say Argentina don't like black people. Don't racist too, but France is the worst. When I not get what I say, you know, England, the whole of them racist, but the people them are reason say because France have black people upon them team, that's why they must support France. And me I say out of all of them, France are the worst one to support because France hold Africa hostage up to now. And I bleed Africa dry and I kill off the whole of Africa even today as we speak. You understand? So that make France the worst. France and Belgium are the worst. Anyway, Jamaica media help deteriorate Jamaican society. Zine, what me I try to say to you is now. I notice a trend where I go on in a mass media Jamaica. Most of the TV hosts them, we have to interact and interview people, are alphabet people. Most of the people them on the forefront in a radio are alphabet people. Most of the people them, where them are put on red carpet at the Sumfest them, at the Sting them, at the Big Show them, are alphabet people. It was so disrespectful. Me notice say, Burna Boy come to Jamaica. I didn't know that any alphabet people was in Burna Boy band, right? Me know say 99% of people who like Burna Boy don't sauce pass by some batch big up. Don't know say Burna Boy have a spread in a band. The one name Faggy Berry, or what him want name. I shot with you by batch big up. Faggy Berry or what him want name. Burna Boy band have nearly 20 people in it. The only person me see you got interview now at the spread and a promote in a Jamaican media. So you no see no drummer, no guitarist, no backup singer we straight where you could have asked them about Burna Boy. You come and neatly promoting an agenda to our people them. Why you think you need to highlight that boy in a fingernail and blouse and real sprat, real shit? Why you have how much woman backup singer and dancer Burna Boy have? Why you think say the forefront, the main person for you interview the spread? Because you're spread too. You know neatly a promoting a little dirty lifestyle and a plunge that na the youth them brain. Why we fear what your interview and remember him not even a name brand, we don't know him. We don't know him. What you want, we know him for. So on to the thick sexy girl them we are wine with Burna Boy on stage, we are do backup dancing. You couldn't interview one of them. Faggy Berry. You couldn't interview one of the girl them. No, cause you not like girl. You not like woman. You feel like it is your purpose now to introduce and make the world know say one spread in there Jamaica I sing back up a Burna Boy. We never know that, you know. Nobody never know that, you know. So you are telling me, say, out of the 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, or 20 people who come here with Burna Boy, your uncle, what you da call it now? Interest of a highlight the sprat? Why you think we want to know that? Why? We never want to know that in the youth. But true you know, say you and them are same thing. That's why you do that if you lose your job, you know. If you lose your job, you know, so them thing you need regulators though. Them thing you need regulators. Your boy, Foggy Berry, if you get this, and you have to lose your job, you have to go some place, and I want to take all your microphone and bust your face with it in a boy. And kick in your body and send you up under your mother. Big thinking shit house. Ring your mama. You have to, hey boy. Hey. Hear me, I say no. People, I don't want to feel like a joke thing me talking. You know. Them boy have to start get this, you know. Them boy are try indoctrinate to pick me them or something them, you know. You are telling me, say, you couldn't interview one of the girl them. You might Burna Boy have some thick, sexy African girl where I tour with him. You couldn't interview one of them. You couldn't interview one of the guitarists were straight. You couldn't interview one of the percussionists them were straight. I want to own personal thing when I push on the people, you know. Because you know you're not straight in a boy. Remember me tell the people them boy you're ready, you know. And see I can prove it, say you want big dirty shit house, you know. Them boy then have to cover nothing. Them boy then have to show me. Them boy then have to talk about me. Me don't want them boy to chat about me. Me I tell you now look on the bigger picture. You see when I talk about plot twist, me not give a fuck about a plot. Me I show you what the boy them a do. And I do the thing on the picnic them and the people them. Cause them claim said them are young TV hosts, so the young people them a follow. I want to know. Hey. Me I show you the next thing what them are doing. Me no about no Burna Boy. Me no see Burna Boy do nothing as no poofta or nothing. Them come from different culture from way. So Burna good I don't have a problem with him in a band. But I am saying why is our media, why is Jamaican media covering the only sprat where they in the something or something? You much straight people in the man band for your interview. Why you interview the one lean man? Why? Because you want Jamaica. You want to put Jamaica out there as yes. Fish come here and them good and everything alright with the shaky people them. See? Next thing. I want to tag them for me, you know. Nationwide. I want to tag them. Nationwide. Big radio station nationwide. Wanna tag them, you know. Nationwide. Nationwide. Wanna tag them, film it, them want them hear what me I say, you know. Nationwide. Wanna tag nationwide for me right now. People, tag nationwide for me right now. Andrew Wallace, me no know where you depend. Broadcasting Commission, me no know where you depend. See? People's National Party, me no know where you depend. Nah, object to the fuck with them in a dog. These things need to be regulated. On a tag nationwide, you see it? I'm telling you, tag nationwide down now, tag them in a tag nationwide. Here why I want to tag nationwide. Me see an article come out. Them a put people to replace Miss Kitty. People on the tag nationwide more them hear what me I say. Me see them a put people to replace Miss Kitty. Then put a girl and then put a big shaky alphabet. Boy, why do you want to propel these people to come interact and lead with people them. Why? Nationwide. Why are you giving this poofter a work on a platform where you have to lead the nation and deal with the nation? What is in the agenda? What wanna do? The fuck wanna doing? What wanna do? Wanna feel like nobody not see what I go on? What wanna do? What wanna really do? So wanna give them boy them position you know. Youth were straight, we are promote them music now go get played. Youth were straight, we fear get interview and things, them now go get it. Because the host of the program now go accept them requests because of Sprat. No, a youth were straight, I figure be uncomfortable now. I go up on them program there because the host of the interview, give them behind the scene work, give them camera work, give them work in an office where them talk to paper and deal with paper. Why you don't want to give them the work where them to interact and deal with people? Why? Nationwide, what I do? What the bomber clot to do? What the pussy clot to do? Me now go back to Jamaica. So we have to say go back to Jamaica and go do it. Go back up in your mother and go dead. Suck your mother. Come on from my life. Pussy. I'm there. Fuck your talk, bro. Me have to go to Jamaica to talk up for straightness. Me cannot leave America now. You're deaf? How much time I don't want here? How much time I don't want bump? How much time I don't want here? Me have issues in America. Me cannot leave. Why you not do this thing? Nationwide, why you not do? People, me just say the next thing. We're very, very, very disturbing. When me see Nationwide do again. It make me wonder if them have an agenda against straight man or what. Me just say somebody send me some information, right? A little girl I do gymnastics for Jamaica. Zin, she get silver medal for Jamaica a while ago. When you check it out, a celebrity picking them, right? Celebrity picking them. So them go say boom. And then post the little girl. Congratulations and thing. Them I go put the little girl and her mother. But don't put the father. What kind of disrespectful thing that? When me see wrong, me just talk about wrong. The little girl is the child of Cecile and Christopher Martin. Then, how disrespectful is it? For now put up congratulations and promote the little girl and don't put her father but then put the mother. It would have better on it. Don't put the mother nor the father and put the little girl alone. I want to do. One of the set up a hate and a preference thing with the child and her parents them. How can you do that? What kind of disrespectful thing that? So yes, Chris not deserve no ratings as a father. And that what I say? Me not business if she was there with the baby. It is sending the wrong message. Me not give a fuck. Me not business. Them can take a Christopher Martin picture and put right side of Cecile on. Or put him on the other side. And she one have the pitney. And the mother alone have the pitney. The father a celebrity too. What the fuck are you saying to me? Kind of disrespecting them then nationwide. No one a bumbuckler do. The media need to be regulated, Bridget. The media can't just do what them feel so. And I go against the culture and I go against the thing. Them thing I need to regulate it, Bridget. I know like Christopher Martin dead. Or Christopher Martin is a unknown father. I know like how Bob Marley don't know him father. What I do? I don't want nobody ask me about the TJ and bomber clad popcorn, man. Me talk about different thing, you know, man. Me don't want to ask me that, man. Because someone will take everything for blood clot joke. And take everything slighty. And you see, say, we future in a trouble. I want to know. If every program on TV and radio, a batty boy and lesbian that host it, what got happen to the straight people? What got happen to straight people? Soon every artist want to know I gotta be shaky and alphabet because them done a black out straight artists already, you know. I tune in and know, you know. Half a woman them work on zip, a lesbian, you know. Half a woman them work on Irie, a lesbian too, you know. So that's why you not hear certain man sing, you know. And certain man not get no interview, you know. Some man will get the corporate show them the staff party them, you know. You not see certain artists on them, you know. Because some boy shaky, you know, certain artists bun them, then not get the show. You don't know where go on the people. You don't realize what go on, you know. Check some staff party. If the same staff party them, the same artists them everywhere. Only just look on the staff party them where I keep at end of year time. See if not certain artists are aligned to certain people alone. Dep on the staff party them. Just check it. And you think some artists not at card them not dep on them show ya. I not at them not at. When them get the contract them for book artists, them now book the artists them a burn fire. Them now book the selector them a burn fire. Them now book the straight man them. I be a man when alright it shaking, it's alright. You see them all about place, you see them hotter than the next man them. I want to know, man. When I have to wake up, man. You know, see them I put beer alphabet boy in position to control the music. You don't realize. Oh, Miss Kitty left the radio station. I want to put on a girl with a sprat. Not two girls that you put on the program. So you know, if you have two gender on the show, that the boy they are a sprat right through. What do I do? What do I do, dog? What do I do? When Miss Kitty come off by radio now, as a woman, and then put him, you know what gonna end up happen? Him and the girl are gonna start the program, and then eventually the girl are gonna come off by the program, left him alone. And that them want to do. That them want to do. You soon see the girl on the program not at all. So in a youth, have a song now, and KAREEM got a radio station you know, and it a speak about straightness and them something that him not play it, and him gonna try to encourage him friend them to not play it neither. So that you gonna get stifled not based on talent, but based on because him straight. Cause who are coordinate the program and run the program as sprat. I want to know, man. Yo, the thing hurt me when I see them publish Cecile and the little girl a while ago. And don't publish Christopher Martin. Before I said don't publish the picture with the parent then. Publish the picture with the little girl alone. People have to understand neat stylings and neat disrespecting. You have to understand when you are being disrespected or when you are being styled. You have to notice when you are being disrespected or being styled. Zine? Oh, the child have two celebrity parents. Zine? I only put up a picture with one. People would have seen that now that think of Cecile Pitney alone. While the Pitney name Martin. Cecile name Martin. Cecile name Martin. So why the editor couldn't put Christopher Martin picture beside the little girl over the next side? I blame Cecile. Although me not say eye to eye and whatever thing, me not blame Cecilia. Me I blame Nationwide. Me I blame whosoever put out the article. Whosoever the editor may be. A style and a style, Chris right there saying that. A style, on style, Chris there so. And then Chris me I defend. Me I defend fathers. I disrespect, only disrespect the whole meaning of being a father, you know. Oh no, violate, you know. You think a Cecile want make him? Make the baby? You think a Cecile want make her? Even if her father wasn't a celebrity, the father supposed to get the look as well. But say he wasn't a celebrity, you know, could have used excuse and you don't know who the father is. And Cecile a star. Christopher Martin, a super, in bigger than Cecile right now. Have more hits than Cecile and bigger than Cecile. So, oh no, each and the little girl pan Cecile. And no each and Chris pan the little girl too. Oh, what I do? People me don't know about nobody else. Me feel a way when me see that. A disrespect. Me no business when nobody wants to. Them can't say me enough. Them can't say me chat too much. Them can't say my business. And my business. A public platform it come back. And me see the public disrespect. And me feel like me want to talk about it. Me hurt. And me soon I try corner the business with be a shaky boy. From Foggyberry to the whole of them. Boy, Foggyberry forget this. I'm in a response, Bex. Chuck to the mama now. Foggyberry forget disrespect. Why you never interview Burna Boy? Why you never interview one of the girl them we are wine for Burna Boy? You gotta interview a man we are wine for Burna Boy then. To all that interests you, all that spark your interest. Or you find your way to find him to interview him. Because you want to make it look like Jamaica alright with all of this batty business. And that's what you do.